What's up, guys? Hello, thank you once again for visiting my channel. Today I did an unboxing for you, and I would like for you to stay tuned to see what came out of the box I did with my Boxycharm. First unboxing I did with my Luxe box. Okay, so thank you once again for visiting my channel. Stay tuned. Yes, look at me. No, yes, honey. Yeah, this came out noise. You see this here? I killed it. Yes, I did. Mm. Yes, honey. Yes, auntie. Yes, yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for visiting me again. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of my Boxycharm. So this is my first unboxing of my Boxycharm. I've been getting it for about, I think, 7 months now, but I've never done a video or anything on it. So this is my first, actually, my Luxe box, and this is the starter box, I think they said. This is the starter box. So I'm excited to try it and see what's in here and what I can use on my face. I already have on some of the basics, so anything else in here that I can use, I'm gonna go ahead and use. If not, I'll use it in my next video. But we're gonna do an unboxing of my Boxyluxe starter box. Okay, this is my first box. This is my starter box for the Boxyluxe, and this is the starter because I think I got in late, so they give me a starter box, and I have variation 55. See there, variation 55 I have. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to take out of the box, I have here a tomato serum. See, tomato serum from Biro. That's the first thing I have, the tomato serum. And this is $150, this tomato serum. They said this tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gentle exfoliating tomato extract that brightens. It has vitamin C, collagen boosting peptides, stuff like that to help you. If you have wrinkles, fine lines, it will help with that. So I'm excited to use this. Okay. Now, the second thing in our box that I'm going to take out is this sleeping mask that I see here. And this is from Gravity. Sleeping mask is from Gravity. And this sleeping mask is $40. $40 for this sleeping mask. It's a weightless sleeping mask. I don't really use sleeping masks to sleep and stuff like that. But I'll try it and see what's up with it. Now, the third thing that I have, the third, is a Hip Dot palette. I got a Hip Dot palette here. This is the third thing. But I think I already have one of these Hip Dot palettes already. Let me see. I got this a few months ago. Yes, I got this Hip Dot palette a few months ago. I have the same thing already. So I think I'm going to do a look with this same Hip Dot palette today and see how that comes out. Yes, so the Hip Dot palette retails for $30, and it's a beautiful palette. I love it. It has 4 shimmer shades and the rest is just matte colors. So it's a beautiful palette you can use to work with. 4 shimmers and the rest is matte colors. So I think you'd like it too. I think you can get a lot of looks out of these. So I haven't tried mine as yet, the one that I have, but I'm gonna try today and see what look I can come up with this. Okay, so I only have one more item left here in the box because it's only 4 items for this starter box they give me. So I think the starter box take the place of the base box. So this accumulates, I think, for the price of the base and the starter locks. I don't know. All right, but yeah. So the next thing I have here is the Fenty highlighter. This, I've heard a lot of things about it, but I haven't used it. I haven't seen it. I haven't bought it or anything. So I'm excited to see what becomes. Let me just open this and see what's going on. What Fenty? Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, beautiful highlighter. It's 2 colors. It's two colors, and this retails for 36 bucks. It's the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter. Yes, the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter, the two-in-one. Looks like, yeah, for $36. So this is a beautiful palette here from Fenty. I can't wait to try this. Yes, I'm going to use this today along with that my Hip Dot palette that I already have, and try to come up with a look and give you the unboxing of my first Luxe box. And this is a starter box, and 4 items came in here. I got the serum, the tomato serum, that's 150. I have the Hip Dot palettes. I have the Fenty Beauty Foil highlighter and the Gravity weightless sleeping mask. So I'm excited to try all these stuff out and see what goes on. But today I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this. But I'm going to use the one I already have. Okay, so I'm finished doing my eyes. I just put on my primer and a little bit of my Beauty Crop eyeshadow primer also, and my Benefit Cosmetics primer. All right, sorry, trying to remember the name. But I'm going to go in with the Hip Dot palette like I told you before. And I'm going to go in with the first color, Majesty. Majesty right here. And I'm going to go in with my 207 brush from Luxe. Okay, I'm going to go in with that. And I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm going to stomp that in there. Just making sure I put this color in there. I want to make sure it's in the crease real good. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend it out with another brush. Okay, so I just put my crease color. I'm going to go in now with narrows here, and I'm going to blend out that crease color. And I'm going to use my 205 Luxe brush for this. Blend this out. See? I'm going to go in now with Grounded right here, and I'm going to blend out that edge of that narrows with that. Okay guys, so I went and I cut my lid a little bit, and I'm gonna go in now and put on my brow bone sandstone right here, this color right here, sandstone. I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. I want to keep it nice and natural. I'm going to go in now with Virgin right here. I'm going to go in with this on my lid, and I'm going to use the 209 large shader brush from Luxe. Okay guys, I have to go ahead and put a little bit of catch powder under there because I see that I was getting some fallouts that I didn't like, because it was working good all the time, but I'm going to continue with this. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in now. With Vibration right here, and I'm gonna go in my bottom lash line with this. Get this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my lashes and my liner off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done with the eyes. So I'm gonna go in now with my 4-in-1 from Pure Cosmetics, and I'm gonna contour my face now, the 4-in-1. I'm gonna go in now with my bronzer from Ofra Cosmetics and bronze my face. So I'm gonna go in now with Makina Beauty. Makina Beauty is a 6 highlighter and blush palette right here, and I'm gonna go in with Gemini right there, and I'm gonna use Gemini on my cheeks. Nice. I like that. I'm gonna go in now with my highlighter that I got from the Boxycharm starter box from Fenty Beauty. 2-in-1 foil highlighter. I like it. Yeah, it's nice. Go Fenty. Yes, honey. Yes. So I just finished lining my lips. I'm gonna go ahead now and put on my lipstick. And the lipstick I'm using today I got from Boxycharm a few months back. And this is 3 different lipsticks in one from Foley Fire right here. 3 different lipsticks in one. The one I'm using is called Sunset Boulevard. That's the one I'm using today. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. This one I got from Juvia's Place. It's the collaboration with Fumi, and this is the lip gloss I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna put this in the middle of my lips, and just, I don't want it everywhere. Yes, beautiful. I'm gonna go in now with my setting spray from Cianti London, my everyday. So this is the completed look. And today I used the palette that I got from my Boxycharm Luxe box, the startup box, right? 4 items in there, and I got this palette, but I had one before, so I used this one that I had before. But this is the Hip Dot palette that I used to create this look on my eyes, and also I used the Fenty Beauty Foil highlighter that I got also in that box. Okay, those were the only 2 things in there I could have used on my face. Yes. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the look I did today. And yeah, just let me know your opinions of what you think of this. I would really appreciate it. So don't forget, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and just let me know what you guys think of this palette and the unboxing I did with Boxycharm today. It's my first one, and I was a little bit nervous, but I think I did okay, right? So this is my first of many to come. Righty, once again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming. Thank you.